Maasai's existential reality and philosophical meaning is grounded in and sprouts from their beliefs. Who they are, where they come from and why, what everything is, who controls all and to which purpose. In Ol'Aimerri, we call this Engishon. My name is Teto Oletutuma and welcome to our narrative, Modern Maasai. This is Series 1. Who can be Maasai? Some things are apparent. Gods above and ground below, the sky, the earth, rain and grass, cows and milk, children and community comprising clan, which forms a jugular bond to the entire human body. Everyone belongs to a particular clan with specific parameters, including sub-tribe association, geographical location present, and certain relative clans, etc., etc. Communal significance is vascularized by an individual's mother and her clan, embodied by her brothers, who include not only her siblings but also other elders from their clan. In-laws, who represent a second comparison to the other leg in a body, follow suit. Importance is derivative. Suppose existing in community demands association to different lineages for posterity and influence more rather than dominion. A third group of communal associations is related to the age system, comprising age mates and patron fathers' age set. Very important to note, while you share the fire with one subset, it's the other subset that kindles this fire to you and your age group, their sons, having had yet another before them, having passed down this symbolic ritual of passing fire that keeps generations of men linked through time for a totem connecting their Ol'Aimerri. The fire is first lit when a man coming from boyhood or childhood is circumcised. This disengages his association with his domestic ties represented by the mother, turning him into a wild and savage rebel whose sole duty is to protect his community and environment, playing the role of the army in company of his age set. Girls, on the other hand, accompany the Morans to the meat dens and dances before they are circumcised. They provided company to them while enjoying their attention. Very important to notice, though, is the rarity of a girl becoming pregnant before betrothal, least of all prior to getting circumcised. A lady was deemed ready for marriage after circumcision. Please follow this profile for more on this quest to uncover what does it mean to be modern Maasai.